Hi, this is Greg from Shop Floor Automations. Today's Automations Insight is about RS232 cables. One of the challenges our customers face is how to link their machine tools, and we've seen all types of solutions out there, from Cat5 cables to your standard telephone cable, but it's critical that you use the right solution when trying to deliver a file to the machine. That it entails the RS232 cable. So what I have here is a cable that we pre-make in our offices here, and this allows us to deliver the best solution. It's an 8-wire conductor. It's triple shielded, and it's pre-terminated for ease of use. So essentially you tell us what type of connector you have on the PC side, what type of CNC control, and we have predefined adapters that allow you to easily connect to your machine control. Simply call us up, say I need a 25, 50, 75, up to 300 feet, and we can provide you with that solution. You can visit our website to pre-order these. If you have more questions on technical side of things, please give us a call. Our toll-free number is 877-611-5825, or visit us on the web, www.shopfloorautomations.com. Thank you.